Best exercises for weight loss. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you worried about your weight? Are you ready to hit the beach? As we know, summer is already here and everybody is so excited to hit the beach. Everyone wants a perfect beach body before actually planning a day at their favorite beach. So today, I'm going to tell you how you can achieve a perfect body by making a routine for yourself and following it. Some exercises help you lose more weight than others. If you haven't exercised for a long time, you need to start slowly and build up. See which exercises you enjoy doing, and then include that exercise in your routine along with eating right. So, let's burn some fat. Number 7, jump rope. Jumping rope is a major fat burner. 120 skips per minute burns between 667 and 990 calories an hour, and as a bonus, it also tones your body. You can start by skipping for 1 minute, rest, then repeat. Build up your time and speed when you think you're able to do so. Number 6, high-intensity interval training. Sprints can burn as many calories as jumping rope. Run as hard as you can for 20 seconds. Then jog for 40 seconds, then repeat, and don't skip the recovery period. This type of training is called HIIT, High Intensity Interval Training. HIIT can be done on any form of exercise like cycling, walking, etc. Running for miles for maximum time does no good for your body. Number 5, weight training. Weight train 3 times a week and change your reps or weights every 3 weeks. Lift at 20 pounds and 3 sets of 15, then increase weight by 5 pounds and decrease to 3 sets of 10. Resistance training increases your resting metabolism and helps you burn calories even when you aren't working out. Number 4, boxing and kickboxing. It uses your arms and legs because boxing is not just standing and punching. There is a lot of moving around, dodging, and weaving. Box for 90 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds. Number 3, squats. Squats are the best functional exercise. The compound movements target major muscle groups in your body and help strengthen the calves, quads, adductors, hamstrings, lower back, core, and glutes. Inhale, squat, hold for 3 seconds. Exhale and start getting back up. Then repeat. Remember to keep your weight on your heels the entire time. Number 2, running. You just need good quality shoes for this one. Vary your run or speed, or use hills to increase your workout. Treadmill and elliptical machines are great for an indoor run that allows you to add hills. If you can't run for some reason, walk at a varied speed. Number 1, lunges. A lunge uses the big leg and butt muscles for maximum calorie burning. Start with your feet, hip width apart, hands on hips. Step forward with one leg. Keep your back straight. Lower your body until you form a 90-degree angle of your front foot and back legs. Come upright and step back. Repeat with the other leg. Do 10 times on either side for 3 sets. Just try to eat right, which means that every calorie that you eat works for you and not against you. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye!